All right, good evening. Welcome back to another trading session with me, Swansik. And tonight we are trading the unemployment claims, the American unemployment claims, which will be out in a little bit more than a minute. All right, this news normally is quite nice if it has, it didn't have color. Once again, no trade if it's black, if it's a black report. If it's red, then we sell, and if it's green, we buy. Wait. If it's red, we sell. No, if it's red, we buy, and if it's green, we sell. Jesus. All right. Yeah, that looks good already. A little bit excited, but I have my position ready. All we need is the confirmation from Forex Factory news website. Alright, 20 seconds. Exciting, isn't it? Well, I know I am. Whew. 10 seconds. Here we go. Yeah, I'm hitting F5 even before the news release. How about that? Right, and here we go. Give me color. Red, green, black, something. No. Green is for something else. Come on. It's black. That's uneventful. Bye. I'm not taking any trade tonight. Yeah. Oh well. There will always be next trade. I was just gonna observe this while writing a report. Alright. Let's take a look at this. Look at that movement. 385, but after that it's no. Duration. Report type. Black. Oh well. It's okay. Decision, no trade. Win-lose, no trade. P&L, none. Grade. I'll put myself. No. No grade. Chart. Okay. Still observing. Yep. I can't predict that move. I can't trade like that. Writing a report. Man, I was hoping that it would have something for me to trade today, but it's okay. The market will be here tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, and years to come. So you just have to survive for the next trade. We can't trade tonight. This is what? XAUUSD pair on the unemployment claim news release. So it's black, which means we take no trade. price moved down at first before taking a reverse 3 minutes after. 3 minutes after. Remove this baby.
สวัสดีพี่โอ้เหลือคนเดียวเลยเหรอ
คนเดียวแล้ว Remove this
ลงไปนี่
erratic
เจอที่อ้วนหมดเจอที่ไหนอ๋อไม่เจอที่โกโกไม่ทำให้ด้วยสา
solidifying
เออ
solidifying my decision to my decision. Okay. This is December 7th, and the news release was 8:30 p.m. GMT plus 7. See? I can't trade like that. Alright, I guess there's something else to see here. Thank you for watching me doing nothing tonight. Until next time, people. Bye. Oh, and safeguard your capital.